Have you ever wondered how a simple idea turns into a law that governs 1.4 billion people in India? Now let's break that process simply and logically. Welcome back to my channel, Praj Logic. Let's talk about why these laws actually matter. Laws shape our everyday lives, like from internet to school to rights and taxes. But how are these laws created? Let's understand the full journey of a bill converting into a law in India. Step 1. Proposal. A bill, which is a draft law, comes from a government member who is most likely to be a minister or a private member who is member of a parliament but not a minister. Step 2. First reading. In this stage, the member in charge of the bill asks for a leave of permission from the House to introduce the bill. If the leave is granted, then the bill is introduced in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This stage is called as first reading. Step 3. Committee stage. In this stage, the bill is sent to a standing committee for detailed examination. Step 4. Second reading. The second reading involves detailed examination of provisions and allowing for clause by clause consideration of amendments. This stage happens before a vote is taken for overall bill. Step 5. Third reading. The third reading is stage of a legislative process in which the bill is read out with all the amendments and given final approvals by the legislative body. Step 6. Other House. The same process are repeated in the second House. Step 7. President assent. When the bill is passed by both the houses of the parliament, then the bill is reached to the president for his assent. The president can reject or give the assent to the bill. The choice of the president to give or reject the assent to the bill is called as veto power. For example, the parliament has approved a bill on 3rd April 2025 which was called as Protection of Interests of Aircraft Objects Bill. This was very useful to reduce the risks and costs of the aircrafts which were leased by the airlines of India. This is one of the world's fastest growing civil aviation markets. This law or bill was passed on April 1st from Rajya Sabha. And that is the logic behind how a law is born in India. And next time, if you hear a bill is passed in Parliament, now you know what's the logic behind it. If you find this video useful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Because a lot of logical breakdowns are coming on your way. Only on Praj Logic.